everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your project management consultant business. If you own a project management consultancy, then manually responding to all the management requests and lease updates can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will respond to all of these queries automatically on WhatsApp itself. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for project management consultant business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, I'm going to send a hi. And our chatbot responds us with, "Hi, this is your project management consultant bot. How can I assist you today?" And it has provided us 3 options. I'm going to select the first one that says share project. And our chatbot responds us with share project details. Please reply with the following project name. So I'm going to send a demo response like this. And then it is asking me for key goals. I'm going to respond with like this. And our chatbot responds us with, "We have received your details as demo project, ABC goals. Our team will review and get back with recommendations." Next, I'm going to select the second option that says view services. And our chatbot responds us with, "Here are our most popular consulting plans. Starter 2 weeks audit plus timeline, $499. Growth full cycle project design, $999. And elite end-to-end project supervision, $1,999. Lastly, I'm going to select the last option that says book a session. And for this, the chatbot is asking for date and time. So here I'm going to send a date and time like this. You will get an invite on 9 June 2025 at 5 p.m. So this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for project management consultant business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to create this chatbot, we have to visit the Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up, we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here, you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up, we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up, we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Project Management Consultant. On the screen, you can see there's a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template and here we get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. I'm going to create my first message with the help of text button. Here I'm going to add a welcome message. Like this. Our message will look like this to the user. Here with the help of add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options like this. Now we have to curate a response for each quick reply option. Let's begin with share project. And for this, I'm going to select the action type notes and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. And here I'm going to ask project details like this. And here I've added little star signs because it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. And here we are asking for name. So I'm going to select contact custom field as name and as format, I'm going to select text. You can provide number of attempts and validation message. I'm going to leave it empty. If you want to know how to create contact custom field, you can check the link in the description box. Now, I'm going to curate another question and here I'm going to ask for key goals. In the contact custom field, I'm going to select add and as format, I'm going to select any and then I'm going to link it to the question box. Then I'm going to send a confirmation message with the help of text button. Here I've added this message. It will look like this to the user. Here I've added $name and $@, because these were our contact custom fields and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual name and key goals of the user. Then we are going to move on to the next quick reply option and here I'm going to access text button and here I'm going to add all the services like this. And lastly, I'm going to curate a response for book a session and for which I'm going to access the question box again. Here I'm asking for preferred date and time like this. And in the contact custom field, I'm going to select time and as format, I'm going to select any and then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. And then I'm going to curate a confirmation message with the help of text button and here I'm going to add. Here I've added this confirmation message which will look like this to the user and this $time will be replaced by the actual date and time sent by the user. And this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for Project Management Consultancy Agency. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video. And once you have created your chatbot, you can save your flow from here. And once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.